Today, we're diving into the Metra 99 to 7862 Turbo Kit, a game-changer for car audio enthusiasts. This kit not only mounts your radio seamlessly in the console pocket but also features a snap-in ISO support system, ensuring a secure and reliable installation. The recessed DIN mount under the radio adds a sleek touch, elevating your in-car entertainment experience. Now, let's talk about the impressive 9-inch LCD screen size that this kit offers. The vibrant display technology enhances visibility and adds a touch of modernity to your car interior. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly design that caters to both beginners and seasoned installers. Weighing in at just 0.85 pounds, the Metra 99 to 7862 strikes a perfect balance between durability and lightweight construction. The mounting type is recessed, keeping the aesthetics clean and seamless. In summary, if you're looking to upgrade your car's audio setup with a reliable, easy-to-install kit that boasts a 9-inch LCD screen, the Metra 99 to 7862 Turbo Kit is worth considering. It's a pocket-friendly solution that doesn't compromise on quality or style. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.